this is the 18th example under VBA for beginners. The 18th example here is converting text to lowercase. So I'll just copy this code and paste it here in this under module 1 here. Okay, so now this is going to make, instead of A1, I'll just change it to H1. Okay, H1 dot value. Everything is going to be L case means lowercase. So here also I need to change it to H1. Okay, so along with this, I would like to add this also. Both these previous example number 17. So this code is going to be executed as example 18 VBA for beginners. Okay, so this is the command line. The green line will not be executed here. And now this is going to make whatever is there in H1. So I'll just show you here in the sheet. Sheet 3 is there. So where is H1? H1. Yes, H1 is here. I'll type my name here. I just started with the P as capital. All the other things are small case. And in A1, I'll just make this as name. Okay, name is typed here in this place. Now A1, what is going to happen according to this particular line? See here, everything is going to be uppercase. Whatever is there in H1, everything is going to be lowercase. So instead of this, I'll just type everything P-R-A-B, everything in lower uppercase. I just typed. I will just make a small correction also. P-R-A-B in small case, H-A-K-A-R. I just typed it in capital. Whatever may be it, everything will be changed here. Okay. So I'm just going to run here. So now you are able to see here, all the letters in A is changed to uppercase because this particular line is executed here. Okay, U case means uppercase. Now, all these letters are changed from this particular PRAB. Originally, it was small case, whereas BHAKR was in higher case, lower, this uppercase. Everything now has been changed to lowercase because of this particular line is executed, L case. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.